Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipt on Telegram and how to hide your last seen and online status on Telegram. So firstly, let's go over to our Telegram channel. So this is the Telegram. So guys, before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. What you have to do next is for you to go over to the settings side. So the settings side is by the down side by your right. So you're going to click it and to take us to this place, and what you're going to look for is for you to scroll down and look for privacy and security. So you press it and you're going to see at the down side, you're going to see phone number, last seen and online. So you're going to press that last seen and online. Let me do it right now. So in that last seen and online, you're going to see everybody, which means when you press that everybody, it means that everybody will know when you're online. And on the contacts, people on your contacts are going to know your last seen and when you're online. And at the nobody means that nobody, even the people on your contacts, nobody's going to know when you're online or your last seen too. The next one, the last one, which is hide read time. It means that when the team is on, when the read receipt is on and someone sends you a message and you read it, they're going to know that you've already seen the message. But when the read receipt is off and you read the message, they're not going to know about it. So over to the always share with. It means that people who you can share your story with or your last seen with. That is what that one means. And so we've gone through all this last seen, hide read time and always share with. So guys, I think this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.